Hey, Daniel Parsons, parsonsmarketing.net. You can always reach me, Daniel at parsonsmarketing.net. And you can also reach me on Telegram, t.me/Daniel Parsons, Parsons, P like Papa. So today's 7th of July, exciting. I've got in my hands another iTeraCare Classic, and it has come from one of our USA stockists. And I doubt this will be here much longer because normally the phone rings and somebody says, I want that unit. So I'm going to do a quick training video today about how to navigate what we're doing now to be able to upload money into the company PayPal account and register new clients. And so I'm going to show you a couple of things here where you can even take your bonus wallet, which is calculated your commissions every single night in Malaysia. And this way you'll be able to get paid daily. You can take that money, send it into your register wallet, pay someone or get paid by someone to send the device to them, and by registering them in your back office. And so the best way to get paid is through Zelle, because if you have Chase or Bank of America, many other institutions have Zelle, there's no fee involved. Take the payment from them, then you'll go in and you'll go to PayPal. Let me go off a screen share just to make sure that when I moved over to PayPal, the Zoom will go over there to that page. So I've received the money from someone via Zelle, and I'm going to go and I'm going to send in enough money to I can do 3 orders. And I always put, what's this payment for? My username, Parsons. Then I go in and do all the registration for the people. And so I'm going to go off of screen share again, and I'm going to go to the iNetwork. And when I go there, I want to show you a little bit about what I'm talking about how you can take your daily bonus money and be able to take the money that somebody sends you via Zelle, hopefully. The last resort, you would want them to send you PayPal friends and family. But anyway, so let's go back on screen share and show you this. And I'm back in. So I've taken some money out of my bonus wallet, moved it over to my register wallet. And I've also want to show you here, stop share. And let me go to a different page on here, navigate, top up register wallet listing. And I want to look at that listing. So I got a little cog spinning there. And there's nothing sensitive that you would see. So I'll bring that back up, share the screen. Here we go. And so we're moving money. This is just the past few days into the international, Prife International account. So I'm waiting on this one. As soon as that processes, it sometimes it's really quick, sometimes it's maybe an hour. And they do have somebody there working all night long. So I live in the Pacific time zone in the Pacific Northwest. And so I've noticed that they do have somebody working at night now. So this is just a real short video about how this is all working. I'm getting ready to process an order to go to Europe. And so you can get paid really good money in the iNetwork. I've got training videos coming about that. I've been concentrating on just filling orders and being responsive to the telephone. And I haven't had a chance to do a thorough compensation plan overview. There's not really a need for me to do that because the corporate compensation plan is very, very good. And I've got that available to anybody that wants it. So that's it for now. I've been making very good money in the iNetwork. I've been getting people spamming me saying, oh, this is another one of those scams. Well, if redeeming 2 Pro units for free and redeeming around 22 iTeraCare Classics, which is you multiply 2 times 3,500 is $7,000, and then 22 times $350, and then I haven't even begun to tell you about my bonus money from selling them, and the pairing level bonus money. So this has been a very good year so far for me, and I'm very grateful. So that's it for now. Just a little bit of training about how you can take the money from someone when they Zelle you the $350 for a classic or $1,050 for a premium. And I can get you a classic or a premium or a pro in the USA right away. International orders, it's a little bit of a delay because there's just such a huge demand going on in the UK right now. And Australia, I haven't had the stockist reach back out to me there yet. So I don't know how fast I can get you one in Australia, but contact me on Telegram and I'll do my best for you also. That's it for now. God bless until the next video. Bye for now.